Alright guys, so right back at you. This is Bob from Food Use, and once again I'm back with another eating video, because you know I like to eat, because that's what makes the world go around. And let me take up this car first. Why I have it on, I don't know. But anyways, let me just say first of all, one of you guys viewers sent me a fan mail a few weeks ago, but I forgot to put it on air because I don't know, I was so busy and stuff. But when you guys send me a letter, you can pause it right here if you want and read it. Let me see if you guys have personal information. Yeah, and the back, they send a letter with a drawing, stuff like that. You can pause that too if you want and read it. All right. But anyway, yes, it's gonna be well, okay, I don't want to read that part. All right, so they sent me a Chick-fil-A card, as you can see here, for $10. All right, so that's pretty cool. I've never been to Chick-fil-A, okay, but I would love to go one day. But anyway, right back at you. So here we are once again. And so Checkers came out with a new BEEFZILLA or BEEFZILLA sandwich. And as you can see, I finished my fries because I couldn't wait to eat these damn fries, but these damn fries were so good. I got one left though. I'm just gonna pop it in my mouth. All right. So I got here the BEEFZILLA. Okay, they just came out. I think it came out like today, which is June something. I forgot what day it was. So I think it's a Tuesday though. Ooh, this is the BEEFZILLA right here. Look at it. Check it out. Thumbnail. This is the BEEFZILLA. Check it out. All right. All right. Somebody's calling my phone, but I'm just gonna ignore that. All right, check this. Ooh, check this out. Now that looks like a BEEFZILLA. Right back at you. All right. Let's see what's in this. Ooh, you got some. You got some onions and some steak and stuff like that in there. But I'm just gonna eat it. You understand? I'm just gonna eat it. I'm gonna eat it all out because everything is flying all over the place. Because this is what we're here for. So let's eat this bad boy. Or bad girl, let's say. Okay. Oh wow. Pretty good, huh? This looks so tempting. So, the burger itself, the burger itself is like $6. You know, they say $5.99, but it's $6, all right? It's $6. Plus, the combo is $6.99. So for $1 more, you get the fries and the soda. So it can beat that. So I got myself a Checkers soda and a fry that's included for the $6.99, $7 basically. Who the hell is calling me? My friend. All right. So as I continue eating this delicious burger, I have a friend with me here, but she doesn't want to be in camera, so we just, you know, eat this BEEFZILLA. Now also with the BEEFZILLA, gonna put this to the side. Also, and thank you for that, Steven. I believe your name is Steven. Thanks for the gift card. Also got myself a garlic buttery steak burger, right? So I'm gonna eat that later. Okay. My friend is thinking, what's wrong with you? Where are you going with all these burgers? Well, you know, it's for the video, so. Yeah. So let me finish off eating this bad boy. Bad girl. So far, very meaty. I like it. That's a whole lot of meat. But so far, I don't know which one tastes better. This one or the Steakzilla? BEEFZILLA or the Steakzilla? What do you think? Oh, thank you. I have a helper here. Want some of this? I'll give you some to go out. You have like a cup or something? I can throw it out for you? No? My friend wants some soda, so I'm just gonna give her some. But let me just finish eating off this burger first, and then. So this burger is really juicy. Really beef? Meat? Yeah? This burger is really juicy. This is awesome. You see here, I'm in the middle of the woods. Enjoying the nice breeze. Waiting for the cows to come home. So on a scale of 1 to 5 for this BEEFZILLA, it's pretty good. I don't think it's as good as the Melty Steakzilla though. The Melty Steakzilla, I think it's the top burger right now at Checkers. That's, you know, that's what I think, you know. But this is pretty good though. So on a scale of 1 to 5, see the juices? If you look closer, you can see the juices come out. On a scale of 1 to 5, I give it a 5 because it's a good burger. It's a really good burger. You want to try this? Okay. This extra bread I'm going to give the birds because it's too much bread, you know? Gotta feed the birds sometime. So, alright, so I have here is the garlic. You know, this is the first time I ate out those fries, those checker fries. Yeah, like that. I ate out those checker fries because they were so damn good. But it's the first time I'm eating after those fries. I'm gonna try out this garlic buttery burger and see what it tastes like. As you can see here, it has some of the same stuff as the BEEFZILLA. Maybe it's a mini BEEFZILLA. It smells good. So it's pretty good, but control. But it's pretty good, but I don't taste much garlic flavor on this one. It's because they call it garlic, so that's why, but it's good though. But it doesn't have as much meat as the BEEFZILLA, so I'm just gonna eat a little bit more because too much bread. Wrap it up in here. For the garlic buttery bread, instead of 1 to 5, it's good. I give it a 3.5, 4. It's good, just average, you know, nothing special. But once again, this is Bob from Food Use. I thank you guys for watching. Right back at you, and thanks for the gift card. And from who? Let me see, who's it from anyway? If I could reach it, I'll just say it's Bob from Food Use. Thank you, I appreciate that, and I'll see you guys next time. All right, take care. All right, let me take this off.